Hello and welcome back. We are still learning about Wondershare Filmora. So I will take you through the layout and all the features. Because it is not a Filmora training, so we will just touch everything very quickly. But it will give you some idea how powerful and wonderful tool this is and how beautiful it is to help you create amazing videos, amazing content for your social media. Okay, so let's dive into it. So here is the layout. Here is the layout of Filmora. When you download, the first thing that you get is this window. Let me just walk you through the options here. On top, you can select the aspect ratio. You can do widescreen, portrait, Instagram videos, a standard 4:3. You can do a vertical 4:5 also, and also a cinema 21:9. That gives you beautiful image, but that works amazing on a wide screen. And you also have the business videos 3:4. They work very nice on Instagram or on Facebook, Instagram too. Sorry, LinkedIn also. And then you can, when you click new project, you get into the editing area. Here you can also do the screen recording through Filmora. AI text to video. You can enter your text and it will combine the videos and images from different stock websites and create a video along with subtitles. So that's a very quick way of creating videos. You can explore it. It's extremely easy and fun to make. Then you have AI text-based editing. This is a little difficult to do, and I do not find it very friendly, but you can instruct the software to make a few changes, like add an element or remove an element, but that does not work very well, so I do not recommend that. If you have a video where you have a lot of pauses, a lot of dead sound areas, and you just want to quickly remove all the silence in the videos to make it shorter also, this is the option that you use. Whether it's a vertical or a landscape video, you can just put the video here. It will show you what the dead sound, and it will remove all those automatically. It will also ask you whether you want to keep something or remove it. If you want to remove, you just remove all the dead sound from the video, and it makes shorter and more energetic. Next on the list is avatar presentation. Again, if you have seen those animated characters explaining about your video, a very good option if you want to use that in your video, explaining about a project, explaining about the builder, explaining about the location. Nowadays, people are actually used to watching these kind of avatars. So you can use this option to create a video where you give the text, you give the content, and select the avatar, and then in the video, avatar will present your content. Again, a nice option to check out. Then we have the AI copywriting. Again, copywriting is creating the content. But just like we learned in ChatGPT, Filmora also gives you the option to create content, and you have unlimited credits here. You can create as much content as you want. Again, creating content for videos, the titles, so many things that you can create here. Not as good as ChatGPT 4 or 3.5, but this still works beautifully and very quickly. Next on the list is Instant Cutter. If you have a small video and you do not want to get into the main timeline, you have a smaller version to just cut the video from different parts, make it shorter. So it gives you limited resources, and the rendering is also very fast. So this option is separately given, so that if you have some quick cutout of the video that you want to do, you can use this one. Then auto beat sync. This is a very beautiful feature of Filmora. What happens, you put your creatives, you put your images and videos in it, and you also put a soundtrack. You can be a music or a song, your images, videos, and a soundtrack, and you sync according to the beats. Filmora will automatically adjust the alignment of images and videos and create a video right away for you. So you will not have to adjust the images and videos according to the beats. It will do the wonderful job for you. No wonder it is a Wondershare. Okay, so then next option we have the auto reframe. Auto reframe is like you have a vertical video and you want to convert it into a horizontal video. You want to convert it into 3:4 or 4:3. So you want to change the aspect ratio of the video. This is the option for you. You upload one video and then instruct how you want to change the video in a different aspect ratio. Then you will have a few settings to make, and then it will easily change the aspect ratio for a video. It is very handy. Once we are sharing the video on Instagram, it has a different aspect ratio, or on YouTube, it's a different aspect ratio, on a TikTok or other platform. So every platform has their own specialized aspect ratio, so we cannot create video for every platform separately. So this option gives us the ability to convert the same video in a different aspect ratio. Of course, we will have to make few changes here and there, but this is the easiest way to convert the video in a different aspect ratio. Okay, so on the left side you have the Filmora cloud. You get about, I think, 1 GB of data with the plan, and you can also upgrade that by more cloud space. What happens every time you create a video, it gets automatically saved on cloud. Sometimes it is very handy when the system crashes or the software crashes because of your computer hardware. It is working slow and you have to shut down, for whatever reason, you always have the backup. Sometimes you forget about saving and there's a power breakup or your computer crashes. So it's very handy to have your content backed up automatically on cloud. Okay, so this is how it is done. And in the Creator Hub, you find all those templates, training sessions, and all that stuff. So coming back to the main screen, here your recent projects are there. And now let's get into the new project section.